how's your day going so far? Yeah.
Yeah, my day actually so far so good. My day is going very well. How is your morning, ma'am?
Okay. Yes, everything I can say hunky dory. Yes. So s- we are meeting very first time. We introduce ourselves first. Yeah.
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
So my name is Lalita Jangin. I'm from Jaipur, Rajasthan. I'm a homemaker. Sometimes I also run a YouTube channel, English with Lalita Kumari. If you talk about my qualification, I done my B.Ed and PG diploma in computers and my interest. So listening audiobook, try to cultivate reading habit also these days. Apart from traveling, I used to teaching yoga meditation. That's also enjoy. I'm blessed with a daughter. Yes, that's all about me.
Very lovely introduction, ma'am. Shall I introduce myself?
Yes, yes.
I am Bona. I am from Tamil Nadu. Currently, I am living in USA. I am homemaker. I have two kids. If I talk about my study, I have done BCom at Madras University in Tamil Nadu. And nowadays, I'm running YouTube channel where I uploaded conversational videos. If I talk about my hobbies, when I get free time, I'm learning this language and I try to connect with other people. That's pretty much about me.
Okay, okay, amazing.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
So first of all, I want to know when you shipped there,
US,
how
it's
long?
been,
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
1 year, ma'am. Last year, May month, I moved here.
Mm. So how's your experience there?
Yeah, yeah, it was very good actually. Because due to my husband job, we moved here. Actually, this year visa will be completed. Whether we don't know we are continue or not. So maybe the process will be going. So maybe the September coming September month we know about the visa process. Actually, the US is actually weather and everything is very good.
You have now, I think, yeah, evening and we have the morning.
Yes.
So now I'm also habitual of this thing because my husband also working there. Uh, he's working on cruise ship, but in New York, yeah. So that's why little bit I know,
Oh,
and
your
I'm habitual of
husband
morning,
working in New
evening.
York?
Yes, yes. Actually, he's working on cruise ship. So mostly the sometime in US, I can say that, and
Okay.
sometime in the Europe that also
Okay.
because that is in the port to port, very on the
Okay.
port to port.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Which place, ma'am, are you living now? I forgot.
Yes, I'm from Rajasthan,
Rajasthan.
Jaipur, Rajasthan. Yes.
Okay. 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 What language there? Native language.
Yeah, my native is Marwadi. Yes,
Marwadi.
but yeah, Hindi. Yes, most of the
Marwadi
time
Hindi.
Hindi.
Okay. So how many
Yes.
language do you know, ma'am?
Yes, only three, not much.
Including English, yes.
Yes.
How long have you been learning English, ma'am?
Learning this language, yes, I can say speaking last 2025 July.
July.
I'm try to be consistent and yes, I can say, but learning this language more than 1 year. Yes,
More than 1 year.
I
Okay.
start my journey from the scratch. Yes.
May I know about your English journey? What are all the practices you are doing? Can you share little bit?
Okay. So actually, yes, I start my journey with the, I can say, the conversation. That's helped me in my initial stage. After that, I start my the audio call. I used to audio call. That helps me in my initial stage. After I have lots of fear, but I want to overcome this. Still, we don't know what
Video
is
stuck.
work for us. What is yes, I can say in my initial stage that is different, but I also cultivate so many habits new, like reading books, that also, and apart from the storytelling. Before going to bed, I told a story my daughter, and sometime I record myself in my word. So that also, apart from that, I jotted down journaling my thought, what is emotion going on. Yes.
Mm,
So that's I think helped me. Yes.
okay.
Apart from that, sometimes tongue twister that also, and shadowing practice that also. Yes. Time to time vary all the activities.
Shadowing practice, what video did you choose, ma'am? Daily basis. Which video are you watching?
Like uh, sometimes, yeah, so many YouTubers. So any video pop up on my phone, so that time I try to. Yes.
Shadowing. Okay.
Yes.
So you said your hobby reading books. What kind of book are you reading now, ma'am?
Yes. Actually, I cultivate this habit. So Sudha Murthy ma'am's book. Yes,
Okay.
short story.
Short
And after that,
stories.
yes, in my word, I try to what is how much in my mind. So I try to explain. Yes.
Okay. You said you have daughter. How old is she?
Stage 4 plus. Yes.
Okay. Four. How is the weather, ma'am, right now in Rajasthan?
Yeah, whether we, I can say July, but we don't get the rain. So yes, obviously hot, sunny. Yes.
Sunny day. Okay.
Yes.
So do you have any question, ma'am?
Yes, yes. I also want to know your English learning journey.
Yeah.
When you start, which type of challenges you face.
Yes, sure, ma'am. Definitely, I will tell you. Actually, last year, September month, 2025, September month, I have started this journey. It's been 10 months. Before that, I didn't know. First, I know when it comes to reading part, I know writing part. But when it comes to speaking, I didn't speak with anyone, utter sentences also. But after moving USA, because in American native language English. So after moving here,
Yes, yes.
I felt embarrassment. I felt a lot of struggles. So after that, I
Yes,
realized.
yes.
Then I started since September month. After that, I am doing shadowing practice. When it comes to any conversational video, especially Ramsar conversational video, it's very helpful to every beginners. So I have watched,
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
I have been watching Ramsar conversational video with the shadowing. And after that,
Okay.
I am reading any short stories. When it comes to speaking, I speak with a lot co-learners nowadays. Audio call, with the audio
Yes,
call,
yes.
sometimes video call. uh, 2 days once I speak with in youtubers, some youtubers in video call, with video call.
Okay,
So
amazing.
that's why, ma'am, that's it. my
Yes.
my journey.
Now you have to learn this language. You must have to learn this language because you shifted there. So yeah, no other option. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Mm.
Yes. That's the okay. So you also have the children. So how old she and he? Yeah.
Yeah, both are boys. I have two kids. Both are boys.
Okay.
My first son studying fourth standard here. My second son 3 years old, toddler.
Mm.
Actually, this year is going.
That's
Yeah, this year August month school will reopen here. Is going to PKG.
yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
4 year to I can say 4 year for ready for first class.
Hmm.
So actually, I can say I heard about it many time. I think in India that is common, be it the children, but in USA that is not common. I think if someone is beat the children, so that time the child have the right to call the police.
Right, definitely. Yeah, it's correct. Actually, in Indian people, we scolded in public places. We beat them sometimes when we have when they are get irritating to us. That time we scold them. So it's no problem in India, right? But when it comes to
Yes, yes.
USA, I have also heard about that news, but I never seen any person. But some in public places, in sometimes we scold our kids. Yeah, if some people saw us, sometime they call police. Yeah, it
Yes, yes,
happened.
yes.
My husband also told like that. This
You
news.
not should do this type of thing here, yeah.
Yes, sometimes when I was going any supermarket, that time my first son irritate me. Simply think anything. That time I scold him. So I am seeing surround myself. After that, I become calm. We should be more careful in public places.
Yes. So actually, which place you lived there?
Illinois, the state name Illinois.
Okay. Okay. That is nearby.
What, ma'am?
That is nearby. That is
Chicago.
New York,
Chicago.
Okay.
Chicago nearby. Actually, in Chicago, 30 minutes from here to Chicago. 30, not 30, 40, 45 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Recently,
how many?
mhm.
Yes, how many places you visited in US?
Yeah, last year, I have visited two or three states. Recently, last week, Wednesday, I have visited Chicago City because it's nearby, right? So I have visited that place, Chicago. But in New York place, it's very far away from here to New York. But I want to visit that place in my I have actually that place is in my bucket list. New York and Niagara Falls. I want to visit
Yes,
that.
yes.
Mm.
I heard about many times both of the
Yes.
Niagara Falls that also, yeah.
Okay. Do you like traveling,
Yes.
ma'am? So, how many places did you visited inside India or outside India? Any abroad
Yes,
country?
only inside. Yes, only in inside India, not outside. Yes, most of the northern part.
North
Yes,
part. Have you ever been south?
yes, yes. Goa,
Goa. Oh, nice.
Goa.
Mm.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Last year, yes, 25 November 25. Yes, I visited
Okay.
Goa.
Last year. Mm-hmm.
Yes, Mumbai, Goa.
How was your
Yes,
experience?
Gujarat. Yes, first time I was the, I can say, with the beach.
Yes.
Yes, that's new.
Yes.
Yes,
Mm-hmm.
that's new experience. Yes,
Mm. Okay. In
I
northern part,
can't explain in the word.
yes.
Yes,
In northern part, which place did you visit, ma'am?
yes, Himachal, Uttarakhand. Yes, Delhi, UP, MP,
Mm-hmm.
and yeah, Gujarat. Yes,
Did you traveling alone or
Maharashtra.
with your family?
Yes, with family.
With family only. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Are you living joint family or nuclear, ma'am? Nuclear family.
Yes, I can say joint. My father-in-law, brother-in-law. Yes, my daughter. Yes.
So how do you manage, ma'am, your household chores and learning journey, take care of kids?
Actually, I think if our why is clear, so we have to do some. I can say we have to manage all the thing. No other
Mm,
option, I think.
yes, yes.
And
Okay.
you tell me the evening time, yeah. But I told you I can say 9 a.m. the morning time. Actually, I want to the challenge myself if I'm able to manage or not. So that's why, because if we challenge ourselves, so that time we I can say we get to know. Yes, I'm able to do this thing. Yes.
Okay, nice, ma'am. When did you start your YouTube channel, ma'am?
YouTube channel, I can say more than 1 year. But initially, I only upload the short with my daughter. She was singing a poem. I also help her. Here upload only poem. After
Poem.
that, yeah,
Okay.
yes,
After learning Journey, when you started, simultaneously you have started uploading your YouTube.
yes,
Sorry, conversation
yes,
videos.
yes,
Okay.
yes. Make my solo shorts and yeah, conversation later on. Conversation. That's also.
Do you speak
But
with your daughter, ma'am, in English
yes,
at
yes.
inside home?
Try to small sentences. Try
Hmm.
with
Okay, okay.
because that is good. See, this is age, so if, that is I can say catch the early. I think easy to catch in
Yes.
this age. I think
Hmm.
if we speak, so that is easy for her.
But in this generation, kids are learning very easy
Yes,
in school
yes,
time also because they are
yes,
learning very
yes,
quickly. In our generation, it's very difficult. Earlier, we don't have environment, we don't have
yes,
mobile phone, so it is very difficult, right?